Morning guys. Slept really well, really comfy bed and a spectacular view to wake up to. It's a good way to start the day. Today the plans haven't really got any. Don't know whether just to walk down into San Jose or head to Ibiza town and maybe do one of the walks around the villa itself. Not really sure yet, but first of all gonna have some brekkie and then make a plan of action. Okay, that's breakfast done. Had a little bit of a chill. The sun is starting to come out. I think give it another couple of hours and it'll be quite warm. So just now gonna walk down into San Jose, which is about a 15-20 minute walk from the villa, and get a coffee. Are you getting a coffee, Antonia?
No, I will get a beer.
There's a surprise. Hello. Made it to the main road. Left goes to Calavadea. Right, San Jose. And then 15 minutes from the villa. That's where we've just come from. Yeah, at the crossroads to go to San Antonio, San Jose. And there you've got the pizzeria restaurant Es Verge. Definitely check that out. It's one of the best on the island. Straight ahead, San Jose, and further another 5 minutes. And then you've also got the bus stop, which takes you into Ibiza town, the airport, or back to San Antonio. Okay, 20 minutes in, and we've just made it into San Jose. Quite a busy road, so you just got to take care, but yeah, it's easy enough to do. Now we've got to find a place to have a coffee, hopefully opposite the church. This is a very cool shop, directly opposite the church. And outside you've got Racco Verde. We're going to go for a coffee in a minute. How's the beer, Antonia?
It's very nice and cold.
I prefer my coffee.
I prefer my beer.
Beer later. Every weekend in San Jose you have the traditional market. All handmade goods, baskets, shoes up there, more jewellery, olive oil, hierbas. Some great gifts you can get here. And then in the middle you have the musicians playing. Pretty cool. Fruit over there. This is a great little shop. Lots of colourful plates, crockery, cutlery, glassware. And my favourite ones are these. I'm going to buy a couple of those. Successful little trip down to San Jose. That was really nice, really pleasant. Got my coffee in Racco Verde, and then I didn't realise that the market was on, but it is on every Saturday morning. Managed to get a few bits, including my bright coloured Mexican style plates from one of the local shops. It's good to support all the local little businesses that are still open. Antonia got some handmade shoes, some earrings. So yeah, that's our little bit done for the local market stalls and the shops. And the time now is almost 2 o'clock, so it is very hot. So heading back to Villa Olga, chill by the pool and take a dip. Well, that's been a great afternoon up here at Villa Olga, chilling by the pool. Really enjoyed it. It's been a while since I've had the chance to come up here and use the villas, because usually this time of year we've got lots of guests still here. And if anyone is thinking of a villa over here in Ibiza, just give me a shout. Of course, I will sort you out super subscriber rates. Or even if just anyone's got any questions about Ibiza in general, needs any hints, tips or advice, please just let me know in the comments box below. So tonight I am staying at the villa again. I'm even thinking of staying for a couple more nights because it's that nice up here and I am enjoying it. But first of all, I'm going to head out into Ibiza town with a couple of mates. I'm going to go to a tapas bar called Can Terra. I've never been there before, and if it's worth making a vlog, maybe I can go back. It's an excuse to go back later in the month and do a vlog about that one. So, okay, just want to thank you all for watching as always. And if you could just hit the like button, drop me a comment in the comments box below, and please subscribe as well if you haven't done already. So, okay guys, speak to you all soon.